He owns a pair of brand new goggle. He owns a pair of brand new goggles. Goggles is always used in plural form. After opening the door, he entered into the room. After opening the door, he entered the room. Enter, somewhere, is the correct usage. Enter, into somewhere, is wrong. I will be there, on tomorrow. I'll be there tomorrow. On, in, and, at, are not used before tomorrow. She, or he, have done well. She, or he, has done well. When two singular nouns are connected with or, it takes singular verb. More than one workman was killed. More than one workman was killed. The noun that follows more than one should be singular.